Understanding the phrase, install software, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase you might encounter in the digital world. Install software. Whether you're using a computer, a smartphone, or any smart device, understanding this phrase is key to navigating technology. Let's dive in and demystify what it means to install software. When we say install software, we're talking about the process of setting up a software program on a computer or device. Think of software as an application or a program that allows you to perform specific tasks on your device. Installing is like moving into a new home. You're placing the software into your device so that it can operate smoothly and efficiently. Installing software is essential for several reasons. 1. Functionality. Software adds new functionalities to your device, allowing it to perform new tasks. 2. Updates. Sometimes, installing software means updating it to the latest version, ensuring better performance and security. 3. Customization. By installing software, you tailor your device to meet your personal or professional needs. The process of installing software generally involves a few common steps. 1. Download. You usually start by downloading the software from the internet or transferring it from a physical medium like a CD or USB stick. 2. Setup. Next, you run the setup file. This is like telling your device, prepare to welcome new software. 3. Follow instructions. The installation wizard will guide you through the process. You might need to agree to terms, choose installation preferences, or decide where to save the software on your device. 4. Completion. After the installation, you might need to restart your device. Then, the software should be ready to use. While installing software, you might encounter these terms. Download. Transferring software from the internet to your device. Setup file. A file that starts the installation process. Installation wizard. A helpful guide that leads you through the installation process. License agreement. A set of rules you agree to before using the software. Default settings. Preset options chosen by the software, which you can often customize. And that's a wrap on installing software. Understanding this phrase not only helps you navigate your device better but also opens up a world of new functionalities and possibilities. We hope this video sheds light on the meaning and process of installing software. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.